Hi friends, in this video I will discuss Bashar's 5 laws of creation. He calls it fundamentally the foundation key laws of the universe, or the creation laws. They are basically these. One is that you exist. You, in the sense, you always exist, you don't non-exist. What he really means is the spirit, your soul, your Atman. He doesn't mean your body or your mind. Between your body, mind, and soul, your body and mind, we perish after the end of the life, we die. But your soul and spirit, Atman, lives on. That's a forever. So you, in the sense, is the bigger you, the higher self, exists all the time. It doesn't die. It's always been there as part of creation, as part of all that is, or the God, you call it. That's one. Secondly, that the all is one, the one is all. That means that I'm going to really play this. Hang on a second. I'm going to play the whole Bashar statement there, and I'll explain a little bit more as well. The all is one, the one is all means that the God is everyone, and we are also part of God. It's really all the creation. Creation is everything, and we are part of creation. I'll explain a little bit more as well. And number 3 is what you put out, what you get back, what you give, the vibration, the reflection, who you are, you're going to get the reflection back. And it's all the same as karma rule, people call it. And the main key is that the universe reflects back who you are, what you are. Universe gives back your state of being. That's number 3. Number 4 is that everything is here and now. That means that there's only now and here. So that means the presence and time and space are partly illusion. Lastly, everything changes except the 5 laws per se. So let me play this, the key part of Bashar, and I'll give you some more commentary at the end of it. Hang on a second. You can see that.
There are only, from our discovery, from our point of view, there are only 5 laws in existence. Number 1, you exist. You can't do anything about that. You will never change that. You cannot become non-existent. Why? Because by definition, non-existence doesn't exist. Also, you cannot become non-existent if you exist. It's the only quality you have fundamentally. So you'll never change that. Law number 2, everything is here and now. Law number 3, the one is the all are the one. Number 4, what you put out is what you get back. Number 5, everything changes except the first 4 laws. And that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. That's the structure. That's the framework. And every single experience you have ever had, are having now, or will ever have in this reality or any dimension of any reality or any civilization whatsoever will be some combination of those 5 laws, and that's it.
So you get the idea. I can give you a full commentary about this a little bit more in further video. You got the main messages here, that your soul always exists. And number 1, you're part of the creation. Our soul is part of the bigger creation. The creation breaks into our souls and souls. And soul is also part of the creation. It's almost like a ocean is full of water, and every drop of water contains the ocean. Same concept. And God is in every one of us, and we are also part of God. And that's the second concept. And the third one is that what you give is what you get back. Who you are gets reflected back, both being a good people, bad people, or your state of being. It's got a lot of impact around the concept of who you are gets reflected back to you. And then everything is here and now. That is, now is the time. Now is the only moment. Presence, they say present, or be aware and be present now, the current moment, and then here. And lastly, everything else changes is the only 4 permanent laws. Again, I'll give you more detailed commentary on this in another video. I want to keep this short, of 5 minutes or so. Hope you like this one. If you like, I'll bring more of this stuff. Subscribe, like, and share. And I have a free classes on manifesting and a free ebook as well. You can sign up on spiritualuniversity.org and also in the description. And I will see you in the next video. See you there. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.